Hey dudes, welcome back to my channel for today's presentations on General Mathematics Quarter 1, Week 1, Last 3B about the operations on functions, particularly the multiplications and divisions. Ito yung ating functions operation for multiplications and divisions. So let f and g be functions and their product. Quantity of f multiplied by g of x is equivalently to f of x multiplied by g of x. And for divisions and their quotients is defined by f over g of x is equal to f of x over g of x. Okay, meron tayong illustrative example dito. For example number 1, let f of x is equal to x plus 3 and g of x is equal to x minus 7. Then find number 1 product of f and g of x. Okay, number 2 f over g of x. Number 3 g over f of x. Okay, so let us solve number 1. Then we have here the solutions, and this product f and g of x is equivalently to f of x multiplied by g of x. Our f of x is equal to x plus 3. Then write down the x, a quantity of x plus 3, and g of x is 2x minus 7. So we have here the quantity of x plus 3 multiplied by the quantity of 2x minus 7. So x times 2x, that is 2x squared. Then x times negative 7, so that is negative 7x. So just follow the pattern. Okay, so and second term, 3 times 2x is 6x. Then 3 times negative 7, that is negative 21. Then we have to combine the terms. So write down the 2x squared. Okay, since negative 7 plus x are the same terms, so get it negative 7 plus 6, negative 1. Then copy x is minus 21. So the product of f and g of x is equal to 2x squared minus x minus 21. Let's divide the two functions, f over g of x. And this notation is equivalently to f of x over g of x. And our f of x is equal to x plus 3 and g of x, that is 2x minus 7. So hindi natin maaaring magamit ang cancellation law here sapagkat wala tayong common factor. For number 3, the g over f of x, and this notation is equal to g of x over f of x. So that is equivalently to x minus 7, that is our g of x, and f of x is equal to x plus 3. We have another example. So let f of x is equal to square root of x minus 1, and our g of x is equal to x squared plus 4. Then find f multiplied by g of x. Okay, baliktaran naman natin g multiplied by f of x, and we have also here the divisions f and g. So let us take first the product of f and g of x is equal to f of x multiplied by g of x. Then our f of x is equal to square root of x minus 1. Then our g of x is equal to x squared plus 4. So we have here the square root of x minus 1 multiplied by a quantity of x squared plus 4. Okay, that is a product of f and g. And for the g multiplied by f of x is equal to g of x multiplied by f of x. Okay, kabaliktaran ito sa number 1. So g of x natin, a quantity of x squared plus 4. Then f of x is equal to square root of x minus 1. So that would be the product of g and f. So therefore it shows that if and g of x is equal to a product of g and f of x. Okay, for the division, so let us divide the two functions. F over g, this notation is equal to f of x over g of x. Then our f of x is the square root of x minus 1, and then our g of x is equal to x squared plus 4. So we have the square root of x minus 1 over x squared plus 4. For number 4, so nauna na yung ating g over f, and this is equal to g of x over f of x. Ang g of x natin is x squared plus 4 over the f of x, that is the square root of x minus 1. So, ang rule natin sa division, dapat walang radical sign as the denominator. So, we are going to rationalizing the denominator. So, paano gawin? Just copy the denominator, that is the square root of x minus 1, to rationalize this fraction. So, copy lang natin the square root of x minus 1 over the square root of x minus 1. Then, you are going to multiply numerator by numerator, that is quantity of x squared plus 4 multiplied by square root of x minus 1 over the radical, the square root multiplied by another square root. So, eliminate natin, na maiwan is x minus 1. We have the same expression, that is x minus 1. Okay, copy natin. Then, that would be the result as defined by g of x over f of x. And we have here the last number 3b, or what we call this learning activity sheet. So, okay, so we are going to perform the multiplication and division of functions, then simplify the given functions in letters a and b. That's all for this presentation, and make this channel as your home of learning.